Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the DStv decoder that is not booting up in 2026 using the most effective solutions. So first of all, you need to make sure that your decoder is getting the power. For that, you need to check the cable and the switch and then unplug it. After unplugging it, wait for 30 seconds and then plug it back in. This simple step is going to restart your DStv and it is going to fix a lot of boot related issues. Now, if the decoder turns on but shows no display, you can just simply check the HDMI cable. You can try a different port or cable to make sure that it is not a display related issue. Now, you can also take a look at the indicator lights. If you see that there is no light in the indicator, it simply means that the problem is relating to the power. If you see that the lights are stuck, it simply means that the system not booting properly. So the light indication is going to help you understand the issue very quickly. Now, if your decoder feels really hot, you can just simply turn it off and let it cool down for a few minutes. Sometimes overheating can stop it from booting. Now, if it still doesn't work, it's likely a hardware related issue. In that case, you can just simply contact to the customer support team of DStv in order to get it checked. So you can try these methods and it is definitely going to fix the issue. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.